looking for more unique and glamorous presents make us happy, but when they are wrapped beautifully, they make us even more excited. So here we come with some amazing and time-saving tips and tricks that will help you wrap presents this holiday season and beyond. Feel free to add decorations of your choice. This easy way of wrapping gifts has gone viral, and we hope it gives you some inspiration to get your wrapping skills to the next level. So pretty! This one is so easy. Rotate the wrapping paper diagonally and roll the bottles in it. Making knots at the top. And voila! Are you looking for more unique and glamorous gift wrapping ideas? Then this one is just for you. We love this color choice. It's going to make the gift look so expensive and classy. Almost taking the shape of a flower bouquet. Final details. And there you go, looking gorgeous. Making your gifts unforgettable doesn't require many materials. The layers work as a perfect place to put any decorations or flowers. Now take the ribbon to embellish the gift. And that's it. Now you try it.